Hello students, welcome to the next lecture of Advanced Writing Skills series. I will explain you the second part of the paper. In class 9th and 10th we have writing section. In writing section what topics you have to learn, that are notice writing, article writing, debate writing, speech writing, advertisement, poster writing, report writing, letters, formal and informal letters, letters to the editor and invitations, situation based informal letters, short stories, factual and descriptive writing. In this lecture we will learn about the article writing. In last lecture I taught you about the formal letter, that is letter to the editor. First of all, we must know what is an article. An article is a non-fictional. Non-fictional means real or true. Article is a non-fictional writing. It describes any particular incidents or discussed a theme or social concern. So when we are writing, we must see what are the parts of an article and on what points we have to write an article. So we should understand it first. So first of all, when we start writing article, we have to write the title of the article, or it is called heading also. It is tell us about what is the what the article is about. Okay, name of the author. Just below the heading of the article we have to write name of the author. If you are the writer, you should write by and your name. Okay, then below this we will start the body of the article. So body of the article have include some points which I am going to explain you, that are introduction, development of ideas, and then conclusion. In introduction you must say about your topic of an idea, about the article, for what purpose you are writing an article. And secondly, it's a development of your ideas, means you have to write more about your article. And in the conclusion part, you should write what actions or ways are required to solve the issue about which you are writing an article in the newspaper or in the magazines. Okay, so some important tips I'm going to give you to write the article. First of all, we have to read the question carefully. You should read the question carefully and think what are the things that we have to include in it. Okay, so you have to make your rough idea about before writing an article. Next thing is to write ideas. You write all the ideas roughly. In this way you can write the article easily. If you have some ideas what you have to write about the topic, then you can write it in a better way. So you should write first all the ideas, and after that you use some expressions. So whenever you go preparing for the exam, you should learn some expression words so that you can include that words in your article and make your article beautiful. Write some expressions or related proverbs or sayings. Later you should add some quotations in your article, some famous sayings of influential people like Mahatma Gandhi, Abdul Kalam. No? So you have to add those sayings or quotations in your article related to your topic. Okay, and then you should keep in mind about the word limit. You have to write article in 120 words and you have to follow words limit because otherwise there would be a negative marking. So keep all these things in your mind when you're writing an article. So let's begin with the writing an article. I keep your notebook and pen along with you. We will start writing article. This is the topic of your article. Newspapers reports more cases of road rage than ever before. This is your topic. A road safety survey. A road safety survey told about newspaper reports more cases road rage than ever before. Write an article about 120 words for a local newspaper highlighting the issue of road rage. You have to write an article. To make your article effective, you have to keep these points in your mind. First of all, express concern at the alarming increase in the number of cases of road rage. List some causes of this menace and suggest particular ways to deal with the problem. So when you are writing, you have to keep all these points roughly, and then you start writing your article. So before this, we have to write some ideas about the article. First of all, we will tell what is road rage, because this is our topic, so we have to explain it. What is road rage? How do people indulge in road rage? That is wrong driving, racing, verbal insult, female drives bothered. These are the points about the road rage. Then causes of road rage. What are the causes of road rage? Stress, family work. Some people have their stress at home or at the workplace. Then intolerance is the another point. Hurry, traffic jam, poor roads, rush noise and air pollution may also be the cause of road rages. Then what suggestions you could give to overcome on this situation? We should be courteous. Our behavior should be courteous, well behaved, obey traffic rules, sensitive towards others. We should be relaxed when we are driving on the road, and then we conclude. And how do we conclude? In the conclusion, you should mention if vehicle damage, you should give the solution of vehicle damage, repair insurance claim, safety is our aim. For keeping all these points in our mind, we will write the article on road rage. Okay, so let's start writing the article. So students, when we are writing the article, what ideas we had prepared about that, we will mention all those ideas in our article. First of all, write the title or the heading of the article, the age of road rage. Then below this, you should write by and name of your name or the name of writer. Okay. Then what about the article is, you should write the definition of your main article's heading. Road rage includes rude actions, verbal insult, physical threat or dangerous driving methods by one driver towards another. In an attempt to show frustration, it can lead to altercation, assault and collision. What is the meaning of this? You just come to know. Altercation, assault and collision. Altercation बहस करना, झगड़ा करना और आपस में कारों को या गाड़ियों को टकरा देना. That is, road rage can be fatal also. मीन्स इसमें जान भी जा सकती है. Fatal means जान से हाथ गंवा देना. Then after that, in second paragraph, you should write about how do the road rage perform. So write in this, people indulge in racing, disobeying traffic rules and bother female drives. So these are the they perform the road rage on the road in this way. And in third paragraph, data indicates that in last 3 months 2000 lives have ended due to road rage. So you must learn some datas also, or if you can mention any year in which most road rages happen, you can mention over there. Then causes, you should mention why the road rage happened on the road. People shared family and work related stress on the road. They have become intolerant towards others. Everyone is in a hurry to adapt to it. The traffic jam, poor roads, noise pollution, exhaust fumes have worsened the scenario. See, as I told you, you have to add some expressions also. So here it is, to adapt to it. This is the expression. With this, you can write what is the outcome of road rage. Everyone is in a hurry to adapt to it. The traffic jam, poor roads, noise pollution, exhaust fumes have worsened the scenario. Then at last, you should write some suggestions We must be courteous towards others, obey traffic rules, be sensitive, helping, respect female, and remain relaxed. So these are the suggestions to overcome or to avoid the road rages. Then at last you should write conclusion. In conclusion you should write, if there is any vehicle damage, we can take claim for repair from the insurance company. Beside writing fighting or um, uh, just mention the road rage on the road, we should obey these rules. And the ending lines, so while we are on road, safety of all must be our motto. Motto means our main aim is to safety for all. So that's all about the article. Students, I'm giving you one topic that you should write your own, and I have also given you suggestions and ideas how you should prepare roughly before writing the article, and you should apply all those ideas one by one in your article. So note down this and write in your own notebook. Dear students, now you should write one article on the given topic. Mobile phone have become a way of life. Modern men can not do without them. Although very useful, they have their own side effects. Taking ideas from the hints given below, write an article on the advantages and disadvantages of mobile phone. Here you have the hints also. You should read the hints, and you arrange these hints according to you and start writing an article. The hints are: keep in contact, revolutionized, lifestyle, helpful in business, need has turned into addiction, disturbing rings tone, veritable nuisance, camera, no privacy, used while driving cause accidents, cancer, heart stroke, brain stroke, paralysis, talk more, work less is the motto of the common, electromagnetic waves. These are the hints. You can apply these hints in your article. Students, you can take ideas from your surrounding, and you arrange your ideas like how I taught you, and do practicing. Keep practice. Thanks.